I would like to share my experience of undergoing the DSN program with Anand Rajendran ji. I did my DSN in 2006 in Chicago. Academically, I have been a very strong personality. I graduated from IIT Madras. After graduation, I went to US for my PhD in chemistry in one of the best universities, Purdue University in Indiana. After PhD, I have done my postdoctoral research in Chicago. Academically, I have been very strong, but when it comes to soft skills, I have been very weak. I used to be an introvert. I used to shy away from people. When it comes to seminars or when it comes to lectures, I used to work so hard and spend a lot of energy in the preparations. This was my scenario before DSN course. Thanks to the DSN course, the 3.5 days of processes, the exercises and the homework thoroughly shattered my boundaries. And after the DSN course, effortlessly I could organize a happiness course, art of living course for 75 people. This was one of the biggest courses then. Also, I could effortlessly organize a health and happiness seminar for 100 people. So basically this DSN gave an expression for the dormant energy which was inside. Now when I look back, I have been a part of few multinational corporations and I have undergone several corporate training programs where thousands of rupees are invested for personality development. Here in DSN course, with a very nominal contribution of 5,000, 6,000 rupees or less, the amount of transformation that happens in this DSN program is unparalleled and beyond words, and it's so amazing. So if you have not done the DSN course, take this opportunity and be a part of it, and it will thoroughly transform you from inside. So wish you all the best. Jai Guru.